po tayo. Tag-isa kaming order ng amo ko ng Jollibee. Akin yung fish. Tapos may spaghetti ako, siya wala. Kasi ayaw niya ng spaghetti. Pero minsan kumakain siya. Wow! Very nice. And got pie also. Peach pie po. Mango pie. Wow! And the fries. What is that? Chicken nuggets. Nag-order din siya ng chicken nuggets. Then, I have Fanta. Then, tubig lang sa kanya kasi bawal sa kanya yung tubig. So, let's eat, guys. Thank you for watching. Dipista 48. Let's eat. So yummy. Where's my... Tag-isa kami. This is mine, right? Then, let's eat. Okay, let's eat. So yummy. Mainit pa siya. Let's mix first. Open daw muna yung tubig. Kain na kami. Sarap. Balat. So nice. Fries. Yummy. Thanks for watching Baby Star Party.